to trust in Jesus, just to take him at his word, just to rest upon his promise.
Good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Saturday, 31st August 2024, and our topic today na to be the greatest, serve. Our memory verse dey for Mark chapter 10 verse 43. But no be so e suppose be among una. Anybody wey wan be oga among una must be una servant. Our Bible reading dey for Matthew chapter 20 verse 20 to 28. And e talk say, then Zebedee wife with him children, James and John, come meet Jesus. Their mama come kneel down dey beg Jesus. Jesus come ask am, wetin you want? The woman answer, make you allow dis my two boys sit down for your kingdom, one for your right side and the other for your left. Jesus ask dem again, una know wetin una dey ask for so? Una go fit drink from the cup wey I wan drink from so? Dem come answer, yes, we go fit. Jesus come tell dem, na true say una go fit drink from my cup, but e no dey my hand to choose who go sit down for my right and my left, but na for those wey my papa choose. So when the other 10 disciples hear the matter, dem come dey vex with the two brothers. But Jesus call dem, come tell dem say, una know say gentle people oga and people for big position, dem dey control and oppress their people. Make e no be like that among una o. Instead, anybody wey wan be oga among una must serve the rest people, and anybody wey wan be first among una must be servant to the others, just as man pikin no come make people serve am, but make e for serve and give im life to save many people. Now the message. For God kingdom, if you wan be the greatest among any set of people, you go need to bring yourself down well among them o. This one no make sense to ordinary man, but na so God make am. The higher wey you wan go, the lower you go first go. For 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 27 to 28, Bible talk say, but God choose wetin the world think say dey foolish and weak, so that wise and strong people go shame. Wetin the world think say no good na im God choose. Things wey dem think say no mean anything, na those things e make important. This scripture wey we just read tell us say God no dey choose people wey believe say na dem be the best to lead. E dey choose those people wey dey humble enough to serve other people. I study as Jesus dey ascend go heaven, and I realize say God raise am 7 steps higher after e don go 7 steps lower. This one dey Philippians chapter 2 verse 9 to 11. Although the disciples call am master, he humble himself to the extent say he wash their feet wey don dirty well. You fit wash the feet of those people wey you dey lead? If plenty work dey to do, you fit do the work wey low pass? E get some people wey reach top but dem no serve, but e no go too tey, dem go lose their position if dem refuse to serve. Some years ago, we be organize camp meeting for one secondary school when the students dem dey holiday. We reach the school and I go check their toilet. Kai! The toilet no be wetin person fit see 2 times so. Shit don full everywhere. I tell my team how the toilet bad reach and we go need to wash am, so as to prepare for those people wey go come for the camp meeting. I purposely choose the toilet wey dirty pass among the other toilets and I come dey wash am. When the other people see me dey wash the toilet, body come move dem, they come go wash the other toilet. When we dey build the first auditorium for Redemption City, some church members go come for the site if they don close for their office to come help us with the construction work, as we no get enough money to pay workers. Every single evening I dey always follow dem work. I dey carry cement, dey do every other thing wey dey to do. even though I be the general overseer. Na dis one make I remain for top o, because I dey serve. The action wey make we take for today message be say, do something today to take serve your colleagues or people wey you dey lead. We go see dis one for 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 27 to 28. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o, till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Me will be with me to the end. Jesus